Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Renegade products. This is called Easy Red Sprayable Metal Polish. Basically you're going to spray it and clean it. Easy on, easy off formula. Instructions are very easy. You need to spray it on and wipe it off. That's it. You need a clean fiber cloth. We're going to go ahead and put this on. But first, go ahead and shake it. Alrighty. Let's open it. Let's remove the protective cover and put this on. That's it. Alrighty. Here's my rim and fiber cloth. We're just gonna go ahead and spray it. We're just gonna wait for a while, about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna wipe it off. 30 seconds passed already. Let's see. This is clean fiber cloth. Okay, it's just removing perfectly. Like that. There you go. Let's continue cleaning. Oh, look at that. I also like the smell, by the way. I cleaned some of the areas. Let's check it out. There you go. This place, I cleaned it. But the other places still I need to clean. Let me go ahead and complete it and I'll show you the result. Fiber cloth before, and I'm going to show you the after. Before, after. Perfect. I can definitely suggest this Renegade product. Let's see. Here's the front tire. Here's the rear tire. When you check the rim, this is polished. It's perfectly polished. That's why I definitely suggest it. I just used the Blue Magic tire dressing. There you go. Here is the result. And at the same time, metal polisher from Renegade products. And I didn't use anything. You can see the difference between them. Definitely suggest it. Now I polished the front tires too. There you go. Now the car is perfect.